How did I end up with these aloe vera pups crowded in a rectangular pot? Welcome to the channel. Right beside my row of potted aloe vera plants, you'll find several rectangular pots filled with crowded pups. These pups have grown large enough that they really deserve a pot of their own instead of competing in one space. The browning tips on their leaves are a clear sign of stress, caused by fighting over the limited nutrients in the small amount of soil inside the pot. Now you might be wondering, why are these pups here in the first place? In previous videos, I've shown that one way to promote faster growth in container-grown aloe vera is by regularly removing pups and defoliating the plant. This prevents competition and allows the mother plant to absorb more nutrients from the soil. When I remove pups, I take all of them, even the smaller ones. If I don't, those small pups will grow bigger within just a few weeks, and I don't always have the time to keep removing them frequently. The larger pups get their own individual containers, while the smaller ones are grouped together in a single pot. Sometimes, if I have extra space and smaller pots available, which isn't often, I plant the tiny pups individually to make future repotting easier. Now let me show you where I place my newly planted pups. As you can see, they look brown and almost like they're dying. That's because I placed them under full sun. When I first started growing aloe vera, this worried me, and I would usually rush to move them out of the sunlight. So I completely understand when people feel alarmed seeing their newly planted aloe vera turn brown. But over time, I realized that these pups are incredibly resilient. Once their roots are established, they bounce back and regain their green leaves, even in full sun. Lastly, if you've seen my video on propagating Aloe Vera barbadensis leaves, you'll remember my first attempt. I left the leaves in a bottle for too long. The pup that started to grow rotted, and I thought the stem attached to the leaf was gone too. But I didn't throw the leaves away, I simply placed them on a table. A few weeks later, I discovered a brand new pup had sprouted from one of those leaves. I hope you learned something from this video. This is Danny. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and God bless you.